Hari Om, begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Supreme Spirit. Chapter 15, Shloka 9. Presiding over the ear, the eye, the touch, the taste, and the smell, so also the mind. He enjoys the sense objects.
Chapter 15, Shloka 9. Shrotran chakshusparshanam cha rasanam ghranameva cha adhishtaya manaschayam vishayan upasevate.
Chapter 15, Shloka 9. The subtle body described in the previous shlokas roughly as the five senses and the mind as the sixth is explained further. The jiva, through the equipment of the mind, enjoys the world of objects through the sense organs of hearing, seeing, touching, tasting, and smelling, which are expressed through the respective organs of the ear, the eye, the skin, the tongue, and the nose. The pure light of consciousness never illumines any object, because in the pure light of the infinite there are no objects to illumine. It is only the light of consciousness reflected in the mind intellect that becomes the special beam of light, the intelligence in which alone the sense objects get illumined. When the conscious mind is turned elsewhere, even if the stimuli has entered through the sense organ, we don't know it. Therefore, using the mind along with each sense separately, the individualized ego, jiva, the dweller in the body, enjoys the sense objects such as sound, touch, etc. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.